What would you need for a good cup of coffee? First, the coffee particles have to be ground evenly. All the traditional manual grinders have the same design and have the same problem. Introducing the knob grinder. The axle in the middle is removed completely. It's beyond any other grinders you have ever known. There is simply no better way to prevent wobbling and ensure perfect consistency. Knob grinder has a stepless adjustment so you can make extremely precise and essentially infinite grind size adjustments. The body is just two solid parts. There are no springs, no dials, not any other small attachments. It provides incredible convenience for cleaning. Months ago, 7 obsessed engineers have come together to find the best way for the consistent particle sizes. 35 different designs and prototypes have been made. Now, it's time for you to choose the best color for your taste. We are looking forward to your support to bring the first coffee grinder without an axle to all the coffee lovers around the world.